Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this box. So if you want to see what I got in this box and hear all the information, stay tuned. So my mom gets this box for her puppy, and I decided to do it here to let y'all know she gets in the box and to give you a dog-themed subscription box that you might like for your fur baby. And hopefully you do enjoy this unboxing. I have done some of these in the past. I'll put the playlist down below if you want to watch any of them. I have this box and another box, but this one is the Bullymake Power Toys and Power Chewers. So I'll have their information down below if you want to get it for yourself. If you want to know the prices and stuff, you can go there. I don't have a code for them or anything because, again, my mom buys this. And I just like to show y'all it just to, to show you like different things and show the puppy off to y'all just in case you're dog lovers. So I think this one might be January's or it might be February's. I don't know till I open it, but it'll be in the title what month it was from. I think one of those is like a little bit behind. So it might come like a little bit later, but that's whenever my mom subscribed, that's what happened. So let's see what came in this box. So I already cut it off camera, but I'll show you it. So this says the fitness box, Bullymake box. Here's what the card looks like. So I'm thinking this might be January's. So usually they have on the card like what to scan. Yeah, this is January's. What to scan to see next month's box and stuff. So yeah, and those are really good if your dog is like they tear up their toys fast. Is a great box for you. So let me open it and see what we got. So usually these comes with treats and three treats and two toys, I think. So the first one is Bullymake Cardio Crunchies. And there's no like flavor on it, but these are healthy dog treats. Here's the back just in case you want to see like the information of it. But these are supposed to be good for them. And some of them he likes, but some of them he doesn't like. I think he likes the stick ones better. Then we got the Bullymake Dumbbell Delights treats. Look at this dog. The packaging and the art on these packaging is so cute. Here's the back of that one. So in the back they just call like what the protein is, the fat, the fibers, and the moisture. And you give it one treat per 15 pounds per day. And yeah, so that's the information on that one. And then the last treats we got is training treats. So this is if you want to like, teach them to do tricks, you can give them these treats. And these kind of look like in the package I can see there might be like little wedges. Here is the back of them. So that's the 3 treats. Now let's get on with the toys. So these are cool toys because the material they're made out of is supposed to be good for strong dogs. So we got the first toy right here. It looks like a little rope on 2 sides. He really likes these types of toys to pull on. And so they can pull on them. And there's elastic in the middle so when he stretches it. And then the next toy is one of these little chewer things that he likes them. They feel a little hard, but he enjoys them. Here's what it looks like. It looks like a bulldog lifting weights and stuff. But he really likes these for his teeth. They're really good for that. Even though it sounds hard, he doesn't have a problem with chewing it because they have like really good chewing power. So that's what came in this box. We got the 2 toys and the 3 treats. And I'm going to try my best to show you him eating the goodies and playing with the toys and stuff. I try my best. Sometimes he's not in a mood for a treat, so he don't really do it. But that is what came in the box. Again, I'll link all the information down below if you want to get it for yourself. I really recommend this box if you have a dog that tears up his toys fast. These will last longer for you, and if you like to give your dog a treat each month, this is really good. So, yeah, so I think that will be it for today. The theme this month again was the fitness box for January. So I think this is the one that's like a little bit behind. But hopefully y'all stay tuned for next time to see February's box. And that'll be it for today. So if you got this far in the video and you're enjoying it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below, let's say, if you enjoyed seeing this box. Just let me know if you enjoyed it or not. To be shouted next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see what shouted in the previous video on my channel, check out the challenge checkout section and show them some love. They'll really appreciate it. And there'll be YouTubers as well as subscribers, so you know. So unicorns, if you do want to be shouted out, answer that question. If not, just say you watched the full and you'll also be shouted in the next video also uploaded on my channel. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I will link the playlist for this subscription box, the playlist to open it, and the other box. So this will be like a dog playlist for y'all. So please check out that playlist and watch it in full. It really means the world to me. And let me know if you do enjoy seeing this box each month. Let me know if you love seeing the puppy. His name is Sparky. You can give him a comment down below. And again, I'm going to continue opening this however long my mom gets it. And hopefully y'all do enjoy this content. If you're not a dog lover and you're a cat lover, I do have a cat subscription box on my channel as well. If you want to see that and show it some love, that's on my channel, so please check that out. And hope y'all do enjoy seeing these fur baby boxes that I open up. I just love unboxing things, and I was so excited to open these for y'all because some of the ladies love my unboxing of the cat box, but they wish there was a dog version. So these are like a way for those people to get a dog version box. So you know. So I think that's it for today. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of today's unboxing video for the January Bullymake box down below in the comments. Let me know. And let me know if you enjoy seeing these dog subscription boxes that I share on my channel. I love doing that as well. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe, join the Unicorn family, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload, and unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.